What is up, you guys? So in today's episode, we are going to begin the teardown process by doing the most basic things to this V6 engine. We're going to tear it down, but the first thing we have to do is we have to pull the plugs out. Now, fortunately for me, somebody else has already done that. So I'm going to pull all the plugs and all the coils, and then we're going to take a look at them. So now we've removed all the spark plugs. It's time to take the intake off now. Alright guys, we got the intake off this engine. Now it's time to take the valve covers off. And this will give us a big look into the inside of this engine. Alright guys, let's pry these valve covers off and we'll reveal what's underneath. Hey guys, so now that I have the valve covers off, I just wanted to bring your attention to some things that may be kind of concerning. So these two valves are stuck down, and there's a very clear and obvious gap right here that you can feel on the rocker arm. All the other rockers and valves are A-OK. So I might get away with just doing a valve job on these two valves right here. So with the valves out of the way, let's take this intake runner off and we get to see the high pressure fuel lines that lay underneath. All right, let's get right to that. So with the intake runners removed, you can see the fuel rails really clearly. Except there seems to be some kind of rubber and plastic protector on there. I'm going to rip this off. Now we've got some fuel injectors in here. I'm going to remove these later. Alright guys, this concludes our video for today. We took the valve covers off. We took the intake manifold off. We took the intake runners off. And what we're left with are the fuel injectors, the cylinder heads, and we identified two valves that may need to be replaced on this cylinder head. And this is unlike any J series engine that I've ever worked with because it's dual overhead cam. There's two camshafts even though there's one cam gear. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.